In this video, we'll explore how to perform custom creation and mapping for the SharePoint application in the AVAMIGRATRON tenant-to-tenant web application. When you choose Custom Migration under App-Specific Configuration, you must perform creation and mapping at least once before proceeding with the migration. In this process, you can either use existing sites or create new sites in your target tenant and map them to the source sites. Let's get started. First, log into the AVAMIGRATRON platform. Once you're logged in, you can either create a new task or edit an existing task. In either case, you'll land on the migration page, where you'll perform custom creation and mapping. To learn more about configuring custom migration for a task, please refer the link in description. On the migration page, if this is your first time, click the Create Mapping button to navigate to the Creation and Mapping page. If a mapping already exists, click the Mapping button to proceed. Once you land on the Creation and Mapping page, the process involves three main steps. Step 1, SharePoint site creation. Step 2, import source and target sites. Step 3, create mapping. To create a new site in the target tenant, click the Create Sites button. This will open a pop-up window. Next, click the Download Site Creation Template button to download the file. In the template, fill in site name, site type. Choose from Communication Site, Team Site, or Team Site without M365 groups. Once done, upload the file to the application and click Create Site. After the site is created, a CSV file with site creation details will be automatically downloaded. If you're migrating to an existing site, you can skip this step and move to the next one. Here, you can import or fetch site details from both the source and target tenant. Click the Site Mapping Template button to download the import template. In the file, fill out these fields: source site name, source site type, source site URL, target site name, target site type, target site URL. Upload the completed template into the application and click Submit. The mapping sheet will be validated and results will appear in the grid below. In this step, you'll see a preview of the imported file. You can add new mappings by following the same import steps. Delete unwanted entries using the Delete button. Once your mappings are finalized, click the Save button. This will validate and create the mapping between your source and target sites. After successful mapping, you'll be redirected to the migration page, where the mapped details will be displayed. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to perform custom creation and mapping for the SharePoint application in AVAMIGRATRON. Have any questions or need further assistance? Feel free to reach out to us at support@avamigratron.com.